Stay cool and comfortable all summer with a reliable air conditioning unit for your home. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best air conditioners, ensures powerful cooling performance, energy efficiency, and whisper quiet operation, keeping your living space perfectly chilled no matter how high the temperature rises. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Air Conditioner. The BLACK+DECKER 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a versatile 3-in-1 unit designed to keep medium to large rooms cool, dry, and comfortable. Not just an air conditioner, it also works as a dehumidifier and fan, providing adaptable use across seasons. Suitable for spaces up to 550 square feet, this unit is perfect for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms during hot months. Its compact, portable design means you can move it easily, ensuring targeted cooling wherever you need it. The top-mounted control panel with an LED display makes adjusting settings straightforward, while the full-function remote, complete with a Follow Me feature, turns the remote into a mobile thermostat for precise temperature management. The BLACK+DECKER air conditioner also stands out with its smart capabilities. It can be controlled via Wi-Fi using a dedicated mobile app or through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice-activated adjustments. The included window installation kit ensures a hassle-free setup, and the large vented outlet circulates cool air efficiently throughout the room. This unit offers a reliable, energy-efficient way to stay cool, delivering both performance and convenience in a single portable package. If you're seeking a capable, smart-controlled AC with multiple functions, this BLACK+DECKER model makes an excellent choice.
Number 2. Dreo Portable Air Conditioner. The Dreo Portable Air Conditioner brings together impressive power and smart functionality in a thoughtfully designed compact package. Equipped with an 8,000 BTU ASHRAE 5,000 BTU SAC cooling system, it delivers fast, even cooling up to 14 feet away, making it perfect for bedrooms, small offices, or apartments. With a temperature range between 61 and 86 Fahrenheit and multiple modes including cool, fan, and dry, this 3-in-1 unit is flexible enough for any season. Drio's patented noise isolation system ensures quiet operation, reducing the compressor noise to just 45 decibels, ideal for nighttime use or quiet workspaces. One of its standout features is the true drainage-free system, which efficiently evaporates excess water even in environments with up to 90% humidity, removing the need for manual draining. Users can control the unit using the Drio app, voice commands through Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, or the intuitive control panel. Its easy-to-install window kit, modular panels, and smooth rolling caster wheels make relocation and setup effortless. Backed by responsive customer service, the Dreo Portable AC delivers reliable, tailored cooling with modern smart features and thoughtful engineering. It's an excellent pick for anyone prioritizing quiet performance, smart control, and efficient cooling in one reliable device.
Number 3. Shinco 12,000 BTU Air Conditioner. The Shinco 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a powerful and user-friendly cooling solution ideal for small to medium-sized rooms up to 400 square feet. It boasts a cooling range of 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit and offers 3 convenient modes: cool, fan, and dry, ensuring versatile use throughout the year. The dehumidifier feature effectively removes up to 43.2 liters of moisture per day, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor climate. Installation is refreshingly straightforward thanks to the included 59-inch telescopic exhaust hose and window sealing kit. There's no need for additional tools or complicated assembly, making it easy for anyone to set up. The unit is compact and portable, equipped with 4 caster wheels for effortless room-to-room movement. It features an LED display and a handy remote control with a generous 23-foot range, so adjusting settings from across the room is simple. A swing function helps distribute cool air evenly, while a 24-hour timer allows you to schedule operation to suit your routine. This Shinko model is perfect for those seeking dependable, no-fuss air conditioning that balances performance, portability, and user convenience, making it a solid choice for hot summer days or year-round humidity control.
Number 4. PQH 450 Square Air Conditioner.
The PQH 10,000 BTU air conditioner offers a budget-friendly yet highly effective cooling solution for rooms up to 450 square feet, delivering chilled air within just 3 seconds. It's a fantastic option for dorm rooms, bedrooms, small offices, or cabins, offering comfort without inflating your energy bills, operating at less than 50 cents per day. This 3-in-1 unit functions as an air conditioner, fan, and dehumidifier, making it adaptable to your needs in every season. Its upgraded compressor boosts cooling performance by 80%, while an integrated air filter ensures clean, fresh air circulation throughout the space.
Number 5. DOMANKI 700 Square Feet Air Conditioner. The DOMANKI portable air conditioner stands out for its high-capacity cooling power and feature-rich design, capable of cooling large rooms up to 700 square feet. Equipped with 14,000 BTU ASHRE and 10,000 BTU CAC output and a CEC ETL-certified R32 refrigerant compressor, it offers dependable, energy-efficient performance. The operating temperature ranges from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, with an impressive airflow rate of 450 meters cubed per hour. Beyond powerful cooling, it functions as a dehumidifier and fan, offering a comprehensive climate control.